Hello again everyone. I want to show you today in this video how to renovate your radiator. With time our radiator get like this, scratches because of the furniture, because of the chairs and this. How to make it look new again. We are decorating this room. In the meantime I just want to show you how to remove the radiator to paint it from the front and back. First of all, make sure that water is stopped. I'll stop it from here, and you need a plier like this. Yeah, and do it anti-clockwise to open. So I'm going to open it like this, anti-clockwise. Just like that. From both sides. So this part is free now. You can see it is free. I'll do the same thing in this side here. Anti-clockwise again. Same thing again from here. Anti-clockwise. This side is loose. I can just lift the radiator up. So I've released this one now from here. Always anti-clockwise, as I say. This is it. It is released. And I will release it, as I said, from the other side. Here, our pipe is released. Now what I will do, just lift it up. Lift it up, the radiator come off. Our radiator is off now. And there is a lot of water there. I'll just put it upside down, otherwise it will be a mess in the room. Can you see how filthy it is? Look at this. That's why I suggest to remove it and paint it from both sides if you can. At least clean it from the back. Rust is there. It is really filthy. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This was the bottom of the radiator. No way to see this and reach it even with the hoover. That is from one side is to clean it. From the other side is to paint behind it. Old paint and much older paint in the middle there. Like that we can have the same paint which you have in the room painted even behind the radiator, and we'll have a neat and clean job done. Thank you.